Introducing Pulsar I/O, your solution for reliable and secure satellite communications. Traditional network solutions depend on connected premises and always-on data centers, which face several challenges with today's mobile operations. Organizations with dispersed assets and the need for security at each location need something more. That's why Pulsar developed I/O, a secure access service edge solution, also known as SASE. SASE is a revolutionary approach that combines network security with streamlined access. I/O is the world's first SASE system explicitly designed for satellite and hybrid network users, giving effortless control over dispersed assets while maintaining all of the benefits of comprehensive security. I/O's multiple components are designed to work together seamlessly. The I/O Pro Smart Box sits at the network edge, connecting your users and devices in the field while reducing latency and increasing performance by processing data closer to where it's needed. I/O Pro combines multiple WAN and LAN sources like STARLINK, Inmarsat, Iridium, VSAT, and cellular services into a single network. Meanwhile, the I/O Connected portal revolutionizes how you interact with data on hybrid satellite and cellular networks. Through a single pane of glass, you can view and manage all your services and devices, and verify users and devices to ensure security. It lets you bond low-latency satellite services like Starlink with a cellular service to increase bandwidth and performance. With I/O Connect, you also have an entire suite of analytics and data control tools at your fingertips, allowing you to identify opportunities and reduce operating costs. Export reports and access insightful historical data regarding latency and speeds, and now you can make educated decisions about future traffic shaping and policies. Visualize and control how your users use data on your remote network through our deep packet inspection capabilities, combined with the ability to set alerts and data usage quotas. Designed for mobility on land, sea, and air, I/O gives you access to your global networks globally. And with I/O, you have access to 24/7 support from our network specialists, offering real-time assistance from experts around the world. Experience the future of network management and security with the I/O Satellite Data and Network Management Platform. Welcome to Satellite with Certainty.